Hey again, welcome to Souls Geeks, Souls Builds, and today's build is Tarnished Consort of the Stars. Let's hop into it. This build consists of 3 weapons, the first one being the Godslayer's Greatsword. This can be found in the Divine Tower of Caelid after defeating the Godskin Apostle. Here is the weapon's moveset. And here is its Ash of War, Queen's Black Flame. The second weapon in this build is the Darkmoon Greatsword. You get this after completing Ranni's questline and marrying her. This is the weapon's moveset. And this is the Ash of War, Moonlight Greatsword. What it does is it turns your heavy attacks into projectiles, and it gives you more frost build up on the weapon. The third weapon in this build is the Carian Regal Scepter. It boosts Full Moon sorceries, and you can get this after killing Renala, the Queen of the Full Moon. This weapon is a catalyst for the spells we will be using in this build, and I'm going to go through them now. The first spell is Ranni's Darkmoon. You can get this in Shanola's Rise in the Moonlight Altar. The second spell is Adula's Moonblade. You can also get this in the Moonlight Altar after killing the Dragon Adula. The third spell is Comet Azure. You get this off Azure's corpse in Mount Gelmir. The next spell is Eternal Darkness. You can find this in the Swamp Lookout Tower in Caelid. And what this does, it basically absorbs all projectiles that go near it. The next spell is Comet, and you can find this in the Academy of Raya Lucaria. The final spell was Carian Slicer. You get this from the Royal House Scroll, which can be found near the Waypoint Ruins. Now here are the Physic Flask and the Talismans. In the Physic Flask I have the Cerulean Hidden Tear for obviously the infinite FP for 15 seconds. Then the Magic Shroud and Crack Tear because we're mainly doing magic damage in this build. Now for the talismans, I have the Graven Mask Talisman, the Shard of Alexander, the Magic Scorpion Charm, and as you see there's a blank spot. That's because there's a few more talismans that you could use in this build. First one being the Two-Handed Talisman for when you're using your weapons, the Radagon Icon for that shorter spell time. You could also use the Beloved Stardust, and then the final talisman, the Godfrey Icon, if you charge your spells. This is the armor set for the build. This is the Raging Wolf armor set. It was used in the trailers for Elden Ring, and it's what most people think the Tarnished wore. It was also the armor used in the fan art at the start. This is where you find the Raging Wolf armor set. Firstly, you will need to do Bernal's questline far enough to where he gives you an assassination order. Then you will come here, kill the 2 NPCs, and then the armor will be yours. That is all the time I have for today, people. I am sorry. Don't forget to follow my TikTok and my YouTube. There aren't any videos on my YouTube yet, but I promise they're coming. And remember, don't do drugs, and if I don't see you, good morning, good evening, and good night.